One Lexus RX 350 with a bad radio. I had power, but I had no sound. I had the vehicle checked on the audio shop and they said, well, the amplifier is bad and your option is to replace it with a new amplifier installed for about $2,000 or replace the radio and that'll be about $600. Now, I've never had an amplifier go bad. In fact, I've never had a radio go bad like this in a Chevy, Ford, Pontiac, but all of a sudden I have a bad radio in a Lexus? I don't think so. So I pulled the fuse box from underneath the hood and I thought, well, let me just check the 30 amp green fuse as you see here. So I pulled out the fuse and I bought a new fuse. And you can see here in my hand, one of the fuses is corroded. Can you tell which one? It's the one on the right. It actually looked much worse than that. But the fuse on the left is the new one. So I put in a brand new 30 amp fuse and voila! I now have sound in my Lexus RX 350. So the cost to repair the radio? Oh, on Amazon for some fuses, it was about $5. $2,000. Come on, I could buy a lot of wine.